Dear students, in this module, we are going to talk about the Punjab as the important part of society. Punjab is the most populous province of Pakistan with approximately major chunk of population. More than half of the Pakistani population lives or dwell in Punjab. Uh, it has a very diverse cultural patterns, as well as dressing patterns, food, and very rich form of architecture as well. As its name shows that its name is derived from Panj and Ab, which means that it's a land of five rivers. Uh, Namely, these rivers are River Sindh, River Ravi, River Satluj, Jhelum, and River Chenab. If we talk about the capital city of Punjab, it's the most famous city, which is Lahore, and it has traditionally been the capital for almost thousands of years. It is the main hub of culture, its heritage, as well as it is famous for its administrative unit as well as the economic center. Uh, if we talk about the key characteristics of Punjabi culture, first we need to know that Punjab is mainly being developed by Punjabi speakers as well as Saraiki people. Punjabi language has its origins from the very ancient, very old Indian language, which is the Sanskrit. If we talk about the food, लाहौर ख़ास तौर पे फूड के हवाले से बहुत फेमस है. लाहौर के बहुत से ट्रेडिशनल एरियाज़ के अंदर जो है वो आपको ट्रेडिशनल टिपिकल पंजाबी खाने जो हैं वो आपको अवेलेबल होते हैं. एंड पीपल डू कम फ्रॉम वेरी फार फ्लंग एरियाज जस्ट टू एंजॉय द फूड कल्चर इन लाहौर. And major castes of Punjab include, Gujar, Rajput, Sheikh, Sayyid, and Arai. Punjab has a very rich heritage. It is endowed with a large number of ancient sites and historical structures as well. The main site of Indus Valley civilization is called Harappa, which is near the city of Sahiwal, almost 20 to 25 kilometers. The other important heritage sites are Shalimar Garden, which is located in Lahore, Texla Museum, Rohtas Fort, Lahore Fort, Badshahi Mosque, and Noor Mahal. Shalimar Garden flaunts the beauty and grace of Mughal era architecture, and it's a very beautifully crafted architecture that is worth seeing. It was built by the Emperor Shah Jahan in 1642, and three portions. It is divided. The garden is divided into three main portions. The first one is called the Farabaksh, which means the joy instilling, and then the Fazbaksh, it means the beneficial, and the third one is called the Hayat Baksh, means the life-giving garden. It was declared the World Heritage Site by United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization, or which is called as an abbreviation UNESCO. Here are few glimpses of Punjabi culture, Punjabi cultural heritage. The first one is the Shalimar Garden. It has a very beautiful architecture, and the garden is very well decorated by the horticulture. And then we have the Badshahi Mosque in Lahore. As you can see, it's a beautiful sunset view of Badshahi Mosque. It's also the wonder of the architecture. And here we have the Noor Mahal of Bahawalpur. It's also a very famous building which was constructed in around 1875 during the British colonial period. If we talk about the music of Punjab or Punjabi music. Punjabi music and Punjabi folk music especially is very popular, and its dance, especially Bhangra, is very popular among its dwellers. And Punjab is also famous for the crockery, जिसको हम ज़रूफ़ साजी कहते हैं, बर्तन का जो फन है, is very ancient, and Punjabi are considered to be very hardworking, very loving, and very caring and hospitable people. Punjab has always been considered the land of saints and fighters, and for their bravery and courage. Here are the few glimpses of the culture of Punjab. In the first picture, you can see the Bhangra dance, and in the second picture, you can see the how crockery is being made, especially the blue crockery.